Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi friends, how are you today? I hope you're doing good. Today we are going to new chapter. Chapter 7, Let's Help. Please prepare your student book and your workbook. Then open chapter 7. First of all, listen to these vocabularies. Then repeat after the speaker.
Second hand. Second hand. Raise money. Raise money. Ring toss. Ring toss. Go-karting. Go-karting. Raffle tickets. Raffle tickets. Big wheel. Big wheel.
After you have listened to the audio, next take a look at activity 4, then listen.
Activity 2. Listen and say.
Let's help. Where will the kids go? What will they see and do? What will they do? What will they do? They can do many things. Maybe they'll buy a raffle ticket. Maybe they'll play a game of ring toss. Perhaps they'll go go-karting. Let's help. Let's help. Let's help raise money.
So today we are going to learn about will. Will in bahasa means akan. And will can be used for many purposes such as possibility in the future, kemungkinan yang akan datang, prediction, prediksi, ask for help, untuk meminta bantuan, and for promises, untuk janji. Now, for today, we are going to learn will as possibility in the future. Will as possibility in the future means untuk kegiatan yang akan datang. For the example is, the kids will go camping in the mountains. Anak-anak akan pergi berkemah di gunung. Or maybe they will see some wild animals. Mungkin mereka akan melihat hewan liar. And from the example above, they tell the actions that the kids will do in the future. And remember, will always write in verb 1. Kata will selalu diikuti oleh verb 1. Here is for the example. Number 1. The kids will go camping in the mountains. That is correct. But if you say the kids will going camping in the mountains, that is correct because going is not verb 1. And example number 3, maybe they will see some wild animals. That is correct. And for number 4, maybe they will see some wild animals. And that is incorrect. Now go back to activity 1 and take a look at the picture there. There are 6 pictures and we are going to make sentence from the picture. Number 1. What will the children do at the fundraiser? Here, the picture says play ring toss. So we can make a sentence like this. Maybe they will play ring toss. What will the children do at the fundraiser? Maybe they will go go-karting. What will they do at a fundraiser? Maybe they will buy sandwiches. Repeat after me. Maybe they will buy sandwiches. What will the children do at the fundraiser? Maybe they will buy raffle tickets. Repeat after me. Maybe they will buy raffle tickets. What will the children do at the fundraiser? Maybe they will buy second-hand books. Repeat after me. Maybe they will buy second-hand books. Now take a look at page 64 and look at the vocabulary here.
Reach. Reach. Put away. Put away. lift, lift.
Now, let's open page 64 at student books, then look at activity 1.
Activity 1. Listen and answer. What are Aisha, Hasna and Maha doing? Then read. Aisha, Hasna and Maha are helping out at a childcare center today. Hasna, I can't reach that toy. Will you please help me? Yes, of course. I'll get it for you. Here you are. Thank you.
Aisha, I have to put away all these toys and books. Will you help me put them in the bookcase?
Yes, of course I will. Let's start. I can't carry these books. They're very heavy. Will you help me, please, Maha? Yes, I will.
Will you please draw a boat for me, Aisha?
I'm sorry, but I can't draw a boat.
Please try.
Okay.
Now we are going to use will as asking for help. Sekarang kita akan menggunakan kata will untuk meminta bantuan. For the example, will you please help me carry these bags? Of course I will. And if you cannot do it, you can say, I'm sorry, I can't. And from the example above, they tell action that someone is asking for help. And this is the example of will as asking for help. Will you please help me carry these bags? Repeat after me. Will you please help me carry these bags? Take a look at this picture. Will you please help me pull this table? Repeat after me. Will you please help me pull this table? Or you can say the other way. Will you please help me push this table? Take a look at this picture. Will you please help me fix my bike? Repeat after me. Will you please help me fix my bike? The last one, will you please help me reach that book? Repeat after me. Will you please help me reach that book? And your task is, do workbook page 57 activity 1 until 4 and workbook page 58 activity 1 until 4. And here is the listening for activity 4 at 58.
Workbook, Module 7, Smart Kids, Activity 4. Listen and tick who will help his friend. 1. Hey Mark, will you please help me carry these boxes to my room?
Of course I will. Are they heavy?
No, they aren't. We can carry 2 boxes each. Thanks a lot. 2.
Alan, I really need you. Will you please help me with my homework?
I have a maths test tomorrow and you are very good at maths. I'm very sorry, George, but I can't today. I have a history test tomorrow and I have to go home and study too. Ask your brother to help you. He's good at maths too. Okay. 3. Will you help me water the plants, Peter?
I'm sorry, I can't. My sister got back from Spain and I have to go to the airport with my parents to pick her up later.
Come on, it will only take 15 minutes.
Okay then, I have 15 minutes. Let's start.
Thanks.
Okay friends, that is for today's lesson. I hope you understand, and if you have any question, feel free to ask me. Don't forget to repeat the lesson again and again. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.